Here's how I made this custom order. I'm starting out with a sheet of silver. I mark out the shape with a divider and then cut it with a shear for clean and precise cut. Before bending, I absolutely anneal the silver. Heating the metal softens it and so it bends easily without cracking. The most important part of soldering is the joint. Both edges need to meet perfectly, no gaps at all. So I take my time here, filing until the fit is just right. Then I apply flux. Whoa, that was loud. Then I apply flux and a bit of hard solder. And then when the solder flows evenly across the seam, that's when I know it's solid. Now I slide it onto a mandrel and hammer it into shape. After it's round and true, I like to go back in with heat one more time to reflow the solder and smooth out the seam. Now comes the refine. I start by filing the outside of the ring to even out the profile and clean away any excess solder. This is where the shape really sharpens up. After filing, I switch to my flex shaft to clean the solder seam more precisely, making sure it's smooth and blends seamlessly into the silver. For texture, I use different stone wheels, changing up the size and type so the surface doesn't look uniform. Each pass leaves its own kind of mark and layering them adds more depth and dimension. Once I'm happy with the base, I go in with a diamond burr to break up the surface even more, adding finer details and texture. I then polish the inside of the ring so it's comfortable to wear, and I smooth the edges to keep them clean. To give the ring a rustic, rugged look, I oxidize it in a patina solution which instantly darkens the silver. I use a metal bristle brush to even out the application and remove excess. After neutralizing the ring in a baking soda solution, I go back and clean up the piece. First, I focus on the inside of the ring to remove any patina marks and give it a nice mirror finish. Then, I clean the edges using a polished paper to remove any unwanted oxidation so the ring looks crisp and defined all around. Comment below your thoughts, and if you'd like a custom piece of your own, you know where to find me.